Hi guys, I'm presenting you today a nice and cheap accessory for the cordless hand drill, power drill, whatever you can call it. This is a good brand anyway, my best friend. But this tool also is my best friend, you know, as a guy that likes to have everything tidy, knives including, and you know, doors not squeaking and stuff like that. I've tried multiple methods to sharpen my knives. Of course, I have this 1 year now, so not everyone has a hand drill. But if you have it, this thing here doesn't cost a thing, and it's very accessible. It's you know, I'm also keeping it all the time on the drill, so I always have it here. When I need it, I just take it out of the cupboard and use it a bit on my knives. So in this video, while I'm using the hand drill, I'll just mute the sound a bit because it's really disturbing. And I'm sure the rotor here will blow wind in the microphone, so it won't be pleasant to hear it. Now, the way you do it, just the way I do it, I just turn the speed to maximum 2 and adjust the spin this way, so while I'm using it, while I'm sharpening the knife, it will also screw in this thing because it has a screw here, and if it rotates the other way, it will unscrew eventually. So let's start using it. It's so simple. I'll just turn it this way. If we look at the quality of the sharpening, you can see that sometimes, you know, it's just, but this is a bit of scratch, but it's hard to notice unless I show you, you know, in the light. But the quality, you know, the marks are not bad. They are uniform, and the sharpening is really nice, and it takes just a few seconds from time to time.